Reddit has a serious bot problem, and CEO Steve Huffman is thinking of ways he can lock the bots out of it. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Huffman has been talking about ways that it could prove that posts are crafted by humans by requiring a Face ID and Touch ID verification. In an interview with TBPN, Huffman touched the idea of making Reddit more valuable for its users and opening out the platform to people who haven't used it before. And the most lightweight way to verify user is human is with something like Face ID. Huffman said other more heavy options would be ID checking services. Reddit is looking at passkey technology in general. Huffman said they actually require a human presence. A human has to touch or do or look at something that actually just proves that there's a person there, or it gets you pretty far. Huffman also said the internet as a whole needs better third-party tools for verifying that someone's a human being without needing any kind of ID and without compromising privacy and security of users. But Reddit isn't the only platform struggling with bots influx. Thanks to the boom of generative AI, bot traffic is overtaking human traffic on the web. While platforms such as X and Facebook seem okay with AI-generated content being posted for the masses, Reddit isn't very keen to it and wants to keep that out while protecting the anonymity of its users. Reddit doesn't want to know your name, but it wants to know if you're a person or not. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.